You can buy just about anything on Amazon these days, from mundane household necessities to high-end appliances, and now you can even order a DIY kit to construct your own tiny house, shed office, or lounge. Yes, the rumors are true. You really can buy tiny houses on Amazon, actual homes with walls, ceilings, floors, and the like. Beyond the walls and ceilings, these humble abodes are actually, dare we say it, really beautiful too. Some are even prettier and more lovely looking than the homes and apartments in which we currently reside. Want to know about it? Well, stay tuned to the video and watch the video till the end. Hello guys, welcome to Bezos Space. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to get new updates about Jeff Bezos. Hit the like button to show your support, and in today's video we're going to discuss Jeff Bezos reveals 10 amazing tiny houses for sustainable living that you can buy on Amazon. So without any further ado, let's begin. Tiny homes have become increasingly popular in the past few years, whether that's because of rising costs of living or because they encourage minimalist living. Tiny homes make it possible to own property even if it's under 500 square feet. These humble abodes are actually, dare we say it, really beautiful too. Some are even prettier and more lovely looking than the homes and apartments in which we currently reside. But while owning a functional housing unit may seem like a daunting task, Amazon has stepped in to make a hot trend available to the masses by making these tiny homes easy to buy and simple to build. The e-commerce site sells dozens of various tiny home models that can be delivered right to your front door. However, if tiny homes are a bit too small for you, Amazon also offers do-it-yourself kits for building houses that are more than 500 square feet. Escape by Allwood. As its name implies, this all-wood kit provides a certain amount of treehouse vibes at the expense of some amenities, making it a great choice only for some. Inside, it's a modest 113 square feet, approximately 9 by 12, which also can be smaller than some would like. Still, there's the ambience created by almost 2-inch thick Nordic spruce planks interlocked with a wind-blocking design. With a 6.5-foot height, it's tall enough for most to stand upright and move about. A foundation and surprisingly shingles aren't included, and you may wish to add insulation to get through the colder seasons. Still, the company says 2 dudes like you with 3 days can put it up with ease. All-wood Arlanda Garden House. If rustic isn't your thing, this 180 square foot cabin features contemporary urban styling. That means clean lines and a sort of Scandinavian profile, along with large windows. The extra badass feature of this one is that the company says it's suited to be installed on rooftops. So if you really do live in a contemporary urban environment, you can create a pretty unique space high up above those city streets. There's no bathroom. This is becoming a trend, but you can install insulation. Gang Expandable Flat. This Gang expandable flat pack prefab module container house with solar energy is like a house from the future. The house expands and folds automatically with a hydraulic system via the click of a remote, and it comes fully furnished with a bathroom, shower and toilet, kitchen, bedroom, dining table, and air conditioner. Plus, it's solar powered. This is perfect for anyone who wants to build a tiny home without lifting more than a finger. And because the hydraulic system both expands and folds the structure, it offers the flexibility of moving from place to place with ease. Smart Solar Studio Cube. If you're not in need of a whole house but want a bonus room for a backyard office, art studio, or lounge space, you can buy that on Amazon too. So if you really do live in a contemporary urban environment, you can create a pretty unique space high up above those city streets. Smart Solar Studio Cube is a compact white box that arrives ready to use. The solar-powered cube features a wall of glass to let in maximum natural light. The glass doors fold open, turning the cube into an open-air space. A deck can be attached to add on a bonus space for working or relaxing. The minimalist style of this little box means you can deck it out to match your own decor and fully customize it to be whatever you need. All-wood Mayflower. The all-wood Mayflower looks like the little house on the prairie looked like. Its wagon-inspired structure gives this tiny house on wheels a beautifully unique style that would be perfect to put in a large garden or meadow if you have a little extra property. Amazon wouldn't recommend the all-wood Mayflower as a forever tiny home, but rather a place for those who'd like to dabble with the idea. Perhaps it could be used as a small getaway, cabin, or little backyard hideaway. At 117 tiny square feet, this super small structure will be quick to build and furnish, and the 2 wall height windows, door windows, and windows on both sides will bring in a ton of natural light. Flat roof insulated building by Duramax. Possibly the most humble building on this list. When you dig in, there's a lot to like about Duramax's option. First, it's included insulation, which improves its heat and cool retention as well as its acoustics. Garage musicians take note, in part because of its inner and outer steel components. It's also one of the strongest on the list, with its roof alone being rated at £30 per square foot. Its downside is obvious, the lack of aesthetics. There are no individual rooms, patios, electricity, or plumbing, although all can be added yourself, and only one small window. Still, for the man who wants his privacy and brings his own lights, this is a solid choice. Bantam Built Tiny House on Wheels. Another tiny house, this one from Bantam Built, is a bit smaller but still offers all of the comforts of home, including a bathroom, a private bedroom. The exterior is clad in a combination of corrugated steel and wood siding to create a masculine contemporary look. Inside there's a kitchenette with a built-in booth that can be converted into a bonus bed. This home on wheels is RVIA certified, which means it's fully street legal. Bantam also left out the loft typically found in mobile tiny homes, so you won't have to be worried about clearance heights when towing. Titan Park Model Homes Tiny Home. This tiny house is from the Titan Park Model Homes, and it plays with the traditional idea of tiny houses but adds an extra layer of glamour to the concept. The home is built on a trailer bed, so you can take it wherever you go. The stylishly sloped roof creates a spacious front porch area outside, as well as dramatically high ceilings inside. There are other touches like crown molding, a full kitchen, and huge windows to let in plenty of natural light, which makes this 399 square foot home feel very spacious and bright. Prefabricated Tiny Home. This is obviously the shipping container. It comes fully furnished with bunk beds, a couch, a toilet, 2 sinks, a shower, as well as standard appliances. The former shipping container does have windows and French doors on one end. This particular model is 40 feet long and 8 feet wide, though you can contact the company about building a custom model out of a different size container. In general, the whole thing has that prepping for the apocalypse feel that some people love. All-Wood Pioneer. The All-Wood Pioneer cabin will make the perfect first tiny home for those eager to get it built and start furnishing and decorating. Setup only takes a few days, and although this tiny home is especially tiny at 171 square feet, about 19 feet long and 9 feet wide, it has a lot to offer when it comes to aesthetics. It's made from Nordic spruce wood, which offers it a simple and minimalist feel. Both front and side windows will bring in plenty of natural light. And the small front porch could fit a little bench or two for a peaceful morning coffee and meditation time. Insulation is separate from the kit, but can be added. So now that we've seen some of what Amazon has to offer in terms of tiny houses, it's very tempting to say screw it to the housing market prices and not delay buying your dream house now. The only real question is, do these homes qualify for Amazon Prime? Now that we've come to the end of this video, I want to thank you for sticking with me, and I'd love to know what you think of it. Just comment down below. Also, if you like this video, make sure you like it and stay safe. Today's video is over, but if you want to see more, there's one on your screen right now, and there are a few more fun videos coming soon. I'll see you in the next video.